Hi, I thank you very much for the valuable comments and the encouragement that you gave me regarding my previous two videos. So many of you then questioned me as to how one can become a lawyer in Sri Lanka. Before going into that, I would like to remind you becoming a lawyer is not a right. It is a privilege. And this has been also judicially recognized in the case of Emperor versus Rajani Kanta books. Now, this is a decision in the Indian Supreme Court, and this was laid down in 1922. And I will just read it out for you to have a better understanding what it says about becoming a lawyer. It says the practice of law is not a business open to all who wish to engage in it. It is a personal right or privilege limited to selected persons of good character with special qualifications. Now, when it comes to the Sri Lankan context, if you want to become a lawyer, no matter where you come from, you have to go to the law college. You have to go to the Sri Lanka Law College in order to get qualified as a lawyer. But in going there are several avenues that are available for you. Firstly, the most simplest method without any complications is going to the law college itself by passing their entrance examination. So this is normally announced in the months of March or April if I am not mistaken, and you can apply if you are above 17 years of age and if you have three simple passes in your advanced level, if you sat for the advanced level examination after 2000, and four simple passes in the one and same sitting if it was prior to 2000. If you pass your entrance examination, then you will be enrolled as a student of the Sri Lanka Law College, and there you have to pass all the examinations for the first year, second year and the third year, and after that you have to do your apprenticeship for 6 months, and after that you can become a lawyer. That is the most straightforward method that is available. If not, there is another method that is available. That is by scoring a high Z score for your advanced level examination. And there are three government universities that will allow you to obtain a bachelor's degree in law, right? And these universities consist of the Faculty of Law of the University of Colombo, Department of Law of University of Peradeniya, and I believe still it is a Department of Law in University of Jaffna. So if you want to enter any of these universities, you will have to go through the normal procedure of applying to a university through the UGC, and in order to do that you always have to earn a good Z score, a sufficient amount of Z score in order to go there. Many of the students who even get 3A passes do not go to the law, rather to the law faculty or a department in Peradeniya or Jaffna, because it is very competitive. Not only that, you are also required to have a credit pass for your ordinary level English if you wish to apply. There are many students who are unable to apply because they do not have a credit pass for their English order. Or other than that, if you have even a simple pass for your English A level, still that would be sufficient for you to enter into any of these universities based on your asset score to pursue a degree in law. Once you complete your degree in law, you are automatically allowed to get yourself registered in the law college without sitting for any entrance examinations, and you are only required to sit for the final year examination of the Sri Lanka Law College. And if you are going from Colombo and if you have done industrial law and interpretation of statutes in the law faculty, it is not industrial law, it is labor law. But if you have done those two subjects, you are only required to sit for the final year subjects. But those who are coming from Peradeniya and Jaffna, I believe they have to write, in addition to the final year subjects, interpretation of statutes and documents as well. That is a subject coming in the first year of the law college. But if you are unable to enter into a university based on your Z score, then the next option would be you can always go to the Open University of Sri Lanka, where they do also offer a bachelor's degree in law. But if you are to get into that program, there will be a separate entrance examination conducted by the Open University, where you have to get into the I don't know exactly how many students they enroll, but if you score high enough, then you have opportunity of enrolling yourself to pursue a bachelor's degree at the Open University. It is a 4 years degree, and once you pass out with your bachelor's degree from the Open University, then again you can directly get yourself registered with the Sri Lanka Law College, and you don't need to sit for any entrance examinations. Again, you are required to take the subject of statutory interpretation together with all the subjects offered at the final year of the Sri Lanka Law College. If you think I don't want to go to the Open University and I need to try some other place, you can always try Sir John Kotelawala Defence University, and they do also offer a bachelor's degree in law. They also call in their application separately, and they do consider your IZ score. If you have a good high IZ score, there's a better opportunity for you to enroll as a student there, and that program runs to 4 years. You can also get your LLB from there and then get yourself registered at the Sri Lanka Law College. But there is a little bit of an issue currently facing those students who have earned their bachelor's degree in law from the Kotelawala Defence University rather. That is, they have to sit for all the 3 years of the Sri Lanka Law College. The only difference is that they do not need to sit for a separate entrance examination at the Sri Lanka Law College, but they have to face for all the examinations for the first year, second year and third year of the Sri Lanka Law College. And finally, if you don't like to go to a government university or the KDU, you can always follow a foreign LLB degree. There are many institutions that offer bachelor's degrees in law, which are affiliated to many of the foreign universities, and you can follow a foreign LLB, get yourself again registered as a student of the Sri Lanka Law College, and then again you have to follow the first year, second year and the third year of the Sri Lanka Law College. Then you can become a lawyer. So these are the main avenues which are available for you to become a lawyer. Further to this, if you are a barrister or a solicitor, right, in any Commonwealth country, again you can become an attorney at law in Sri Lanka, but still you have to register in the law college, and there are certain subjects that you have to take, and you can always check out these informations by logging into the relevant websites. So for the ease of convenience, I have mentioned the respective links that you can follow and find more information. So I will see you again with another video. Thank you.